home,
I love you, Betty.
love,
Remember?
Thank you
平
for
安
being
平平安安
fate.
Take care. 米团
What do they truly mean?
Dasha, where did you go? Dasha!
Embark on a century-long journey with CGTN Radio's latest offering, Echoes of Kuliang, a gripping audio drama series inspired by real-life tales.
Has anyone heard of a Guodashan?
From unexpected encounters to heartfelt reunions, immerse yourself in a narrative of love, peace, and enduring friendship.
He's a piece of my lost childhood.
Listen to Echoes of Kuliang on radio.cgtn.com and all major podcast platforms.
平安
Bing An.